Adam's supposed to be here at 7. No sign of him. I don't see him. Loaded his bike again. He dropped it off last night at 10 o'clock. He's like, yo, I'm coming to your house. I'm like, okay. 4. I'm going to drop my bike off. Well, you're going to be here at 7. Yeah, I'm still going to drop it off now. All right, whatever you got to do. All he has to do is get up and drive over here. I thought we were done. We're back.
We are back.
I didn't go anywhere.
No, Delaware shut you down quickly.
Shut me down real quick. I've had to pee for like 40 minutes and now there's a line half a mile long to get into the track.
No, I gotta be on the ship now. This is crazy. I've never seen it like this.
I wrote her off for the 10th time today. Practiced all the things I would say. She came over, I lost my nerve. I took her back and made her dessert. Oh, I know I'm being used. That's okay, man, 'cause I like the abuse. Oh, I know, playing with me. That's okay, 'cause I got no self-esteem. Oh, hey,
Yeah, I got burned yesterday. I was doing yard work. What's wrong?
What's wrong? You destroyed me, Adam. She's supposed to be a good friend, right? We're just hanging out. Like I thought we were just gonna like, get close. The GoPro footage will show. Wham. I couldn't get my bike up. It was fucking upside down on the hill. And you just kept going. You didn't even come back to see if I was okay. That's what really upset me, actually.
No, I did. I looked
you
back.
didn't come back.
I think I took Luke out.
You think?
And
Okay, if you're gonna clean someone out though, the rules are like you can't just clean them out and then be like, oh, I didn't mean it. Like you have to just accept it and you keep going. Like when you clean out.
Look back at me and laugh.
Oh, I did the same thing to Adam at Parker's. You gotta really clean them out and then you just keep going because you know they're down and it's already too late.
Oh, so vote of 3. Vote of 3 should be.
So that guy on the bike just about got killed.
The best pizza in the state of Vermont. One bite, everyone knows the rules.
Could you hurry it up? I'm trying to freaking eat.
8.9.
8.9. Cheese,
dude. The cheese today is solid.
You said 8.9. You got a good piece. I got a floppy bag.
Matthew! Matthew! Matthew!
He's not home.